Ever pondered where your missing socks vanished to? In the snug corner of a bustling laundry room, a colorful sock named Rainbow had a story to tell. Rainbow wasn't just any sock, it was vibrant, full of life, and had an insatiable curiosity. One day, Rainbow felt a compelling tug to venture beyond the familiar comfort of the sock drawer. The laundry room, with its towering piles of clothes and the hum of the washing machine, was a world waiting to be explored. So, with a flutter of excitement, Rainbow decided it was time for an adventure. Imagine, a sock setting off into the unknown. It was a sight to behold. Rainbow, with its vibrant hues, bouncing and tumbling through the laundry, ready to meet whatever came its way. Who knew what it might find? Or who it might meet in this vast labyrinth of socks and clothes? And so, Rainbow slipped off the shelf, ready for the adventure that lay ahead. As Rainbow tumbled through the laundry piles, it met some unexpected friends. First, there was Polka, a Dottie character in every sense. With spots of all shapes and sizes, Polka was a sock full of surprises. Next was Ziggy, a sock that zigzagged from one pattern to another. Ziggy was a whirlwind of energy, always ready for the next adventure. Lastly, Rainbow met Sparkle, a sock that glittered and twinkled, reflecting the light in the most beautiful way. Sparkle had a shiny personality to match, always bringing a sparkle to the laundry room. Each sock was as mismatched as the next, with no pair in sight. But Rainbow didn't mind. Together, they were a riot of colors and patterns, each one unique and special in their own way. Despite their differences, they quickly formed a bond. Together, they formed an unlikely but lively group of misfit socks. Navigating the laundry room was no simple task. Rainbow and its newfound friends had to dodge the sock-eating lint monster that lurked in the shadows, waiting to gobble up any stray sock in sight. It was a thrilling game of hide-and-seek, where outsmarting the lint monster meant survival. Then there was the challenge of crossing the towering sock mountain. It was a steep climb, filled with slippery slopes of silk socks and treacherous tunnels of woolly ones, but together they managed to scale it, their laughter echoing through the laundry room as they tumbled and rolled. Despite the challenges, the band of socks never lost their spirit. They tackled every obstacle with a cheer and a chuckle, their camaraderie shining through. The shared adventures brought them closer, weaving a bond of friendship that was stronger than any sock thread. Through their journey, Rainbow and its friends made a heartwarming discovery. They discovered being mismatched didn't mean they couldn't get along. At last, they reached the fabled Matching Island. A place that was more than a myth, it was a beacon of hope for every sock that had lost its pair. The moment was filled with anticipation, and when they laid their eyes on their missing halves, it was nothing short of magical. Polka found its spotty twin, Ziggy was united with its zigzag partner, and Sparkle twinkled brighter as it found its glittery match. The joyous reunion brought an overwhelming sense of happiness that spread through the laundry room like a warm, comforting blanket. The socks danced and twirled, their vibrant colors swirling together in a delightful spectacle. Each pair was a testament to the journey they had embarked on, a symbol of their shared experiences and the bond they had formed. And amidst this celebration, Rainbow found its match, a vibrant sock as colorful and adventurous as itself. Their reunion was the cherry on top of a fantastic adventure. The laundry room was filled with joy as pairs reunited and Rainbow found its matching sock. The mismatched socks were now inseparable friends. They had journeyed together through the tumultuous seas of laundry, faced the sock-eating monster, and climbed the treacherous sock mountain. Through it all, they learned the true meaning of friendship and unity. Rainbow, Polka, Ziggy, and Sparkle, once lone socks, had discovered that their differences didn't make them odd, but instead made them unique. They understood that being mismatched was not a sign of being lost, but a symbol of their individuality. And when they found their matches, they realized that each one of them was perfect just the way they were. Their adventure in the laundry room had taught them that true friends accept you, quirks and all. It had shown them that unity does not mean being identical, but being together in all their colorful diversity. The laundry room, once a place of chaos, was now a testament to the power of friendship and unity, proving that even in the most unexpected places, extraordinary adventures and lasting connections can be found.